Good morning. I am Vernon Darby. The following is Bulletin 43, issued by the Meteorological Service of Jamaica, October 27, 2025, at 800 hours Eastern Standard Time. A hurricane warning remains in effect for Jamaica as powerful Hurricane Melissa continues westward over the Caribbean Sea south of the island while expected to turn northward. At 7 a.m., the center of Hurricane Melissa was located near latitude 16.4 degrees north, longitude 78 degrees west. This is 220 kilometers southwest of Kingston or 200 kilometers south of Bluefields in Westmoreland, Jamaica. Melissa is moving toward the west near 6 kilometers per hour. A slow turn toward the northwest and north is expected today and tonight, followed by a northeastward acceleration beginning on Tuesday. On the forecast track, the core of Melissa is expected to move near or over Jamaica tonight and Tuesday. Maximum sustained winds are near 260 kilometers per hour with higher gusts. Melissa is a Category 5 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. Some additional strengthening is forecast today with some fluctuations in intensity likely before Melissa makes landfall on southwestern Jamaica as a powerful major hurricane early Tuesday. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 45 kilometers from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward 315 kilometers. Data from Jamaica's Doppler radar show that outer bands of Hurricane Melissa have been moving over mainly southern and eastern sections of Jamaica since Sunday evening and producing periods of light to moderate rainfall. Hurricane Melissa is expected to produce rainfall amounts reaching 350 to 750 millimeters, that's 15 to 30 inches, over parts of Jamaica in the next couple of days, especially over central and eastern parishes, with higher amounts over hilly terrain. Catastrophic flash floods and landslides are likely. Tropical storm conditions are expected to spread over Jamaica today, and hurricane conditions are expected to begin tonight or early Tuesday. Life-threatening storm surge, accompanied by large and destructive waves, is likely along the south coast of Jamaica tonight and on Wednesday, peaking at 9 to 13 feet above ground level near and to the east of where the center of Melissa makes landfall. Small craft operators, including fishers on the Keys and Banks, are strongly advised to remain in safe harbor until all warning messages have been lifted and wind and sea conditions have returned to normal. The Meteorological Service continues to closely monitor the progress of Hurricane Melissa, and all interests are encouraged to pay special attention to further releases. The next bulletin on the system will be issued at 11 a.m. today. Please note, hurricane warning means that the following dangerous effects of a hurricane are expected to affect Jamaica within 36 hours or less. Dangerously high water, or a combination of dangerously high water and exceptionally high waves, even though winds expected may be less than hurricane force. Average winds 190 kilometers per hour or higher. That was Bulletin 43, issued by the Meteorological Service. I am Vernon Darby. Good morning.